Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video we have the Microwear Watch 8 Classic. It's currently sent to me by Dateoy, that's why we have rebranding here. It apparently comes with a rotatable bezel. So let's unbox it and take a first look on it. So here it is. The smartwatch comes in a glossy frame. We have a mix of white plastic and glossy steel frame. Let's keep it here. Let's check out the other things included in the box. So here is the accessories box. And inside it we get the straps and the USB 8 wireless charger. So recently the Samsung Watch alternatives that I have unboxed have really impressed me with the straps. This one also comes with really nice straps. We have leather on the front and silicone at the back. So let's turn it on so we can take our first look on this watch. The overall display looks nice. It comes with AMOLED display. Here is the menu. Looks quite similar to the One UI. So let's attach the straps now. This one goes on this side. Let me turn on the always on display. I'm gonna go to settings. Here we have the settings, then brightness, and here is the always on display. So let's see how it looks on the wrist. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you about one thing. Here is the bezel. It looks really nice and it's quite smooth compared to the DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro that I unboxed earlier. Let's try it out on the wrist. So here it is. I'm quite skinny, so maybe it will fit just fine. And here it is. So here's how it looks on the wrist. It has a quite nice size, and in my opinion, whichever wrist size you are, it will look just fine on your wrist. So this was all from today's video and a quick look on the Microwear Watch 8 Classic. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. I'll be doing the full review on iMAT gadgets very soon, in which we'll be testing it in detail to see if it is worth purchasing or not. So make sure you have subscribed to iMAT gadgets and have notifications turned on. I will see you in the next one.